Hey guys, welcome to Jessy's Diet Kitchen. Today I'll cook this spinach. It's called red spinach in English, but in Asia it's called Lal Shak. It's very healthy obviously, and it's direct from my garden. So you can see that it's very fresh and it's refreshing also for your eyes. Thanks for watching. You can see that I washed them and cleaned them. As you can see, I cut them into small pieces and washed them 2-3 times in cold water. Now it's looking very gorgeous. It's not a very delicious or very big deal type of cooking, but it's very healthy. Okay, let's go for cooking. I'm putting all the spinach in a big pan. Now it's looking so many, but after some time it will become less. Uh, as you can see, it's not adjusting with my pan. Now I am adding some salt. Salt will make it tendery. Garlic is chopped, and also I will add lots of chilies, and last but not in the least, it's coriander. I'm adding everything properly right now, and it will start boiling, so I don't need to add any extra water to boil it. It will become tendery with its own water, so you can see that. I covered it for a couple of minutes. You can see that it's already lots of water and it's already ready. It's boiled and nicely tendery. So now I will do another part of this cooking. I will put it in. Now I will put this in another plate and we'll go for another part. In same pan, I am putting 2 tablespoons of oil, adding chopped garlic, I will add some red chili, dry red chili, and also onion. You can see that. Fry them well. Now it's become brown, you can see that, and I am adding this spinach, boiled spinach into it and cook for a couple of minutes. Actually I will fry. It's almost done. You can see it's become more tenderized and so glossy. Its oil is coming, so it's done, you can see. Okay, let's go for plating, and I'll show you after plating. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel. I want to share with you lots of more recipes like this. Now you can see I put it into my serving bowl. It's not any gorgeous dish, so I just put it in a bowl. You can see. You can eat it with rice, bread, anything, and it's very delicious. Okay guys, thanks for watching us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.